show you how to do this adorable hairstyle, which is not only super cute, but is also a great way if you have bangs and you want to get them off your face all day long. We are going to do this style with a center part, but you could do a side part, totally your call. I just like the symmetrical nature when I'm doing a messy bun on both sides of a center part, but you can absolutely do a side part as opposed to a center part if that's what makes you more comfortable. So we're going to start by taking a little triangle here at the front, which is essentially going to be my bangs and all those like short hairs. You can take a bit more if you want, but I'm really just trying to get these baby hairs back for this style. So we are going to take those. I am going to use 2 fingers to separate this into 3 evenish sections. That little guy is a little too thin, so I'm just going to add the tiniest bit more hair. There we go. And then I'm just going to create a braid, and I'm going to hold the hair towards the back of my head when I'm braiding because that's the direction I want the braid to go. If I hold it forward, once I come back, I'm going to get more of a bump here at the front, which is fine if you want that kind of lift and volume, but I don't. I want a nice smooth back. So I'm going to go as far as I can until the shortest end kind of just is too short now to braid, which I'm almost there. That little guy probably has one more round in it. There we go. Now you could tie this off with a hair tie. You don't really need to though, and I try to avoid little hair ties as much as I can. So what I'm going to do just to hold it while I do the rest of my hair is just clip a bobby pin on the end, and I'm just going to leave that for now. And then I'm going to do the other side. All right, so now I've got those 2. I'm just gonna take my comb. Last few times I've done videos, I've not really tried too hard to make clean sections, and then it just looks terrible in the back, so I'm gonna try my best today. All right, so I've got my hair into 2. I'm not gonna do high space buns. We're gonna keep them sort of like mid, not right at the nape of the neck, but sort of like in the middle of my head more. So I'm just gonna brush my hair into a ponytail. Now I'm gonna take this guy and I'm gonna grab it in my hand, and I took the bobby pin off. I'm gonna take my hair tie. Didn't quite get that little guy in there, but some of those baby hairs are just too small. And I'm gonna create my messy bun, any messy bun you want. I'm gonna do my little flip and twist because we all know I love that one, but if you still can't do that one, you can do any bun that works. It really doesn't matter. The idea is just to get your hair into a bun. I'm going to use my bobby pin then to actually pin the bun because it's not wanting to stay where I put it. Perfect. Other side. That is how you can get those bangs back off your face without a ton of product or hairspray in a really cute hairstyle. And it comes out so cute. And you know I love space buns. And no, I don't think anyone is too old for space buns. No matter how old you are, I'm 38. I still wear space buns and I think they're adorable. So no matter how old you are, you can still wear cute hairstyles if they make you feel good. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this has been a helpful tutorial. Let me know in the comments if there is anything else I can help you with, because I would love to make videos that can help you love your hair. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and like and subscribe because it really helps me out here on my channel. Until next time, bye.